Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss Lewis dot structure of sulfuric acid and carbonic acid. We are going to draw Lewis dot structure of sulfuric acid. Sulfur is the least electronegative element, so sulfur will be the central element and hydrogen will be always on the outside of the molecule. Now sulfur has 6 valence electrons, oxygen also having 6 valence electrons, hydrogen has only 1 valence electron. Now to fulfill the octet, these two oxygens share 2 electrons with the sulfur and it forms double bond. And the right hand side and left hand side oxygen, they are making one single bond with the hydrogen and one single bond with the sulfur. So that's why the sulfuric acid molecule looks like this. Sulfur has two double bonds with the two oxygen atom and two single bond with the two oxygen atoms, and two hydrogen atoms are attached with the oxygen via a single bond. Next molecule is carbonic acid. Here carbon is least electronegative element, so carbon will be the central element, and as I already mentioned, hydrogen will be always in the outside of the molecule. Now carbon has 4 valence electrons, oxygen has 6 valence electrons, hydrogen has only 1 valence electron. Now left hand side oxygen and this carbon, it will share 2 electrons with each other and it will form a double bond. Now the oxygen which in the top and the oxygen which is on the right hand side, they will share 1 electron each with the carbon to form one single bond with the carbon, and 1 electron from oxygen and 1 electron from hydrogen, they will share one, form a single bond. So here the structure is carbon has one double bond with oxygen, two single bonds with the two oxygen atoms, and two oxygen atoms are attached with two hydrogen atoms via a single bond. So this is the molecular structure of carbonic acid and this is the Lewis dot structure of carbonic acid.